As your eyelids gently soften, begin by noticing the natural rhythm of your breath. There's no effort, just observing. Noticing all of the parts where your body is supported. The back of your head, shoulders, the back itself, pelvis, the legs and the feet. Just allowing yourself to be held by the surface beneath you. Silently acknowledge, in this moment, I am safe to rest. Gently bring in awareness to the right side of your body, the right toes, sole of the foot, the heel, the ankle, calf, the knee, thigh, and the hip. Allowing the muscles to soften without forcing. Noticing the right palm, fingers, the right wrist, and the forearm. The right elbow, upper arm, and right shoulder. Notice if there are any signs of subtle gripping. And if you notice anything, release it and let it go. And now move awareness to the left side of the body in exactly the same way. Bring in awareness to the left toes, the left sole of the foot, heel, the ankle, calf, the knee, the left thigh, and the left hip. Allowing the muscles to soften. The left palm, the left fingers, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, and shoulder. Noticing any signs of subtle gripping. Releasing and letting it go. Awareness to the abdomen, to the chest, the throat, the jaw, and the forehead. Awareness to the crown, shining brightly. connecting you to your higher self. Awareness returning to the breath, noticing the lower ribs, the belly. With each inhale, noticing space. With each exhale, noticing a softening. Inhale, spaciousness. Exhaling, ease. This rhythm supporting your nervous system, allowing it to restore and recalibrate. And now begin to sense heaviness in the body. The body resting heavy as lead. And now sensing lightness, a subtle buoyancy within the body, light as a feather. Moving between heavy and light, effort and ease. This contrast helping the nervous system learn flexibility, a key marker of rich regulation. And now imagine yourself moving through a normal day. Walking in sunlight, sitting, speaking, making decisions, responding rather than reacting, breathing fully, feeling grounded in your body. Not passive, but regulated. Noticing how clarity arises naturally when your nervous system feels safe. And allowing this image to gently imprint, carrying it with you into your daily life. Silently reflecting, how does regulation feel in my body? There is no wrong or right answer. Just beginning to notice. And now taking awareness back to your breath. Recognizing any shifts, however subtle. beginning to deepen the breath. Maybe wiggling fingers, toes. Slowly rocking the head from side to side in a slow awakening. And when you're ready, gently blinking your eyes open. Namaste.